understand duping things, but this is just straight up copying. This brand is called MCo Beauty, and they basically copy all of the viral products.
Let's try the dupiest brand of 2024. Now, if you didn't know, MCo Beauty is the brand that has duped every single makeup product you have ever heard about. Like, forget what e.l.f. is doing, forget what Revolution has been doing. Apparently, MCo Beauty is the queen of the dupes, okay? We have a few products that they sent over to us, so we're gonna try to see what we can do with it. I have a few of the originals, so we're gonna see if the dupes kind of match it. But before we jump into it, make sure your lips are moisturized, and if you are a returning subscriber, hey! The Australian girlies have been buying the dupes for cheaper and doing their makeup like for the low. MCO or MCo, why do I keep saying MCO? MCo Beauty launched March of 2024 in the US, and yes, we have a PR from them. Back then, I didn't know what they were. I'd never heard of it. So anytime I get a product from a brand I've never heard about, I do a little research, and if I don't see anybody out here using it, I don't become the guinea pig, okay? They actually sent an information packet about them. Okay, so MCo is actually an Australian brand that offer high-end quality products at a luxe for less price. Everything in their range is priced under $30, and it's going to be available at Kroger and their family of nationwide stores online, including Fred Meyer's, Smith's, Fry's, and more. So yes, they pride themselves on being a supermarket brand. Okay, first we're going to start out with the MCo Beauty Souffle Dream Moisturizing Cream. It says that it's supposed to hydrate and restore. It's activated with 10 oil blend and ceramide complex. Apparently, this moisturizer is actually a dupe for a moisturizer from Drunk Elephant. This moisturizer is thick. It doesn't feel greasy, as you can see. It's actually almost kind of like mattifying my skin. It doesn't have a lick of scent to it. You can see that it's peeling on my skin, which tells me that you need to use a little bit less than I just did, and your skin has to be hydrated almost before you can blend this in completely without it giving you this whitish sort of feedback, for lack of a better word. I'm gonna spray it with the MCo Ultra Lock Makeup Setting Spray. Okay, this moisturizer feels like a primer more than a moisturizer. I'm going in with a primer that's not from MCo Beauty. Okay, so I just went in with my primer. I'm gonna give it a few seconds to dry down and do its thing before we go in with the next step, which is going to be the MCo Beauty Instant Glow Flash Primer. It's dewy, soft focus finish. It hydrates, smooths, and blurs for an instant glowy finish. We've been trying to go for that Bridgerton glow, okay? So I'm excited to try this. This shade is looking very interesting. Let's blend some on the back of our hand. This is what this shade is looking like. It doesn't look as light as some other ones I have tried, but let's see what it looks like. I'm gonna share it out. I'm not gonna put too much on so that we actually do the product justice. Okay, I like how it's blending in. It's actually moving a lot better than the glowy face serum that we tried last time. This one is moving very easy on the skin. Ooh, but it's giving me this peel off effect. Okay. Once again, we're gonna start all over again. I'm going to wipe my skin clean before we start this. I really want to give this brand a fair shake. And we're actually using the e.l.f. face wipes. They're almost done, but I have backups to this. And now we're gonna dry it with a piece of tissue. Now that my skin is clean, I'm just gonna spray it with the MCo setting spray. Now we're going in with the MCo Souffle Dream, just so we can see how it works by itself without anything else influencing it. Hopefully it doesn't peel on me, because I will be very upset if it does. It's really, really thick. This is a very thick moisturizer. And it didn't flake up on me. I kind of feel like it's giving me an illuminated look without me actually using an illuminated product. Okay, I'm not gonna go in with my regular primer. I'm just gonna go in with the MCo Instant Glow Flash Primer, but I'm also gonna blend it in very quickly. It's saying that this is a primer, so treat it as such, blend it in, and allow it to dry before you go in with your complexion product. That way it can actually get a chance to do what it's supposed to do. Okay, so it might be a dupe for something, but is it going to be worth it if it's going to like give you issues when it comes to the blendability of it? I wouldn't buy a product that's going to keep doing this on my skin. What is happening? Okay. I'm all for affordability, but let's do affordability that actually works, okay? Not one that would just do this to my skin. Like, I wouldn't wear this if this is what's gonna happen to my skin every time I try to use it. Take 3. I'm gonna wipe my face again because they actually have bronzing drops. I'm gonna try the bronzing drops and see if that will be a better use. Moisturizer. I'm gonna go in with my primer. I'm using the Fenty primer. I'm gonna move quickly because this is a mattifying primer. And I know that certain products interact with each other, but for me, a product that I'm gonna keep on my table and keep using has to be able to work with everything, or at least I need to be able to figure out what it doesn't work with so I can avoid using them all together. There's no peeling whatsoever. Let's give this another few minutes to dry down. Okay, we're going in with the MCO Super Glow Bronzing Drops. This says that it's infused with antioxidants, cocoa extract, and hyaluronic acid, okay? It's a highly concentrated formula designed to be mixed with your favorite skincare products for a natural golden glow. We're gonna blend it on the back of our hands, and then we're going to just gradually apply it to the skin. This is what this shade looks like. I really like making sure bronzing drops are like on my under eyes because that really helps. I am gonna say that if you want to use this instant glow primer, you're going to have to mix it in with the moisturizer and apply both of them at the same time, or mix it in with your primer, your actual makeup primer, and then apply both of them at the same time. That way you don't risk having it roll up and peel up on you. We're gonna go in with our House Ops foundation. It has been saving us from a ton of unworthy foundations these past few videos. So I think it's time for it to get its own video so you can see how gorgeously it blends into my skin, honey. Look how gorgeous this is blending in. Like, tell me this doesn't match my skin tone. Tell me that I'm gonna wear this and you're gonna tell me, oh my God, her makeup doesn't match her neck. In my previous video, we just used the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Blush Wand. This is the MCo Beauty Soft Matte Beauty Wand. Like, it is uncanny how similar, even the packaging feels the same. They look exactly the same. This is the original and this is the dupe. Tell me that you can tell there's a difference between the two. Like, everything is almost the same, even the wording on the back. It doesn't tell me the name. It just says Flushed Blush on here, so I don't know if this is the actual shade name of it, but when you open it, you have to twist it and then squeeze gently to get the product out. I'm going to put MCo Beauty on my right side, and we're gonna blend it in with a sponge. I'm definitely gonna have to go in with another one. I have to use a ton of these products before they show up. So definitely buildable because you can see that it's slightly showing up on the skin. So we have this brow laminate set, sculpt and set product. It comes with like a little brush for you to, you know, brush up your brow hairs, and also a comb for those people that have like a ton of brow hairs, which I don't. So I'm gonna use the brush side to brush up the brow hairs. Now let's see what the actual product inside it looks like. Oh, it is like a glue type of product. Look at this. I will use some of this to hold up whatever tiny brow hairs I have, and then we'll go in with a brow pencil. It dries down very quickly because my brows don't feel cold right now. And we're just gonna very quickly go through a brow routine so that we can see what the brows look like. I'm using the Sephora Collection brow pencil. MCo Beauty has these mini makeup setting puffs. I'm going to take one of them and set my under eyes. I'm going in with the blush again because I just need a little bit more intensity, but I'm also gonna put the same blush on the other side because we have the Highlight and Glow Beauty Wand. This I feel like is also a dupe from Charlotte Tilbury. Of course, it's also one of those ones you have to squeeze to apply. I'm just gonna apply this to the back of my hand first, and the tone of it is also slightly whitish, like a white cast almost. So I'm just gonna blend it in a tiny bit at a time with my blending sponge for this. They said highlighters was so 2016, and time again, here I am applying highlighter to my face. Okay, we're gonna put a little bit right here. Oh, what am I doing? I'm also gonna take some of this highlighter and put it in my inner corner. This is bright and illuminated. Wow. We're gonna go ahead and set with the MCo Beauty Ultra Lock Makeup Setting Spray. We're gonna do 2 times. We're gonna set it, wait for it to dry down, and then we're gonna set it again. For lips, we have this Shine Light Shine Gloss. I don't have any liner. Ooh. Wow, there's an actual light on this. There is a light on this gloss. There's also a mirror on this gloss. Okay, even when the lights are out, you can still see with the mirror on your lip gloss exactly where you're putting your gloss. Ah, this is so cute. We have one more product. This is the Super Glow Face and Body Oil Stick. I will put it on my chest. Ooh. Okay, it's definitely glowy. It has a very mild fragrance to it, and it's really glowy too. Am I just gonna show up on here glowed up for the gods from now on? Probably, because this is gonna stay right here. This is very compact. I like it. I like that it's not like an oil that you have to pump and put on. It's very easy to apply and very easy to blend in. And the payoff, the glow, it's glowing. I am here for it. The setting spray is definitely not a mattifying setting spray. It gives a more illuminated kind of a look to your skin because the powder that I put on initially made my face look very white and also very matte. But as you can see, my face has gone back to looking glowy, which definitely matches my glowy chest right now. MCo Beauty dupes other brands and they dupe it without caring that they look like they're duping. Next, I'm going to actually find all the products that have been duped and try them together to see if these dupes are actually any good. Thank you so much for watching. Love you lots, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.